My 1988 G20 Chevy van. I installed these aftermarket gauges. This one here is the oil. It's an electric oil pressure gauge. And this one is a mechanical. It plugs in the block. It's temperature. I never liked these ones that came with the van. They really cheaped out when they built this van. That's oil, battery, and temperature. Yeah, this is a camper van, and they didn't even put power windows. They didn't even put full gauges. What else did they cheap out on? They did put tilt steering in it. And they did give me a nice big gas gauge. I like that big gas gauge. We're filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. That oil, when I drive it, it goes up. It'll go up. Where'd we go? It stays about 50 when I'm driving it. This has been a good van. It's got 127,006. Yeah, anybody can do this. I took a 2-inch hole saw and cut out those holes. There's 2 holes there. I kind of want to put a third one right here. You could put one right in there and it'll be flat level across with the other ones. I've seen other people use the smaller Bosch gauges and put 3 in a row right there. Filming off a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder.